Pete Censky. I'm Executive Director of the Water Quality Association. Welcome to the WQA Aquatech USA Trade Show. And it's an exciting time we've got going here. We're in the middle of the second day of the trade show. A lot is going on the floor, and I want to be able to tell you about what makes us different as a trade show than most other trade shows you may have ever been to or involved yourself with. So let me start. First of all, most trade shows are what I call jewelry shows. You wander around, you stick to a booth for a few minutes, you decide whether you want to buy something, and you move on. We are different. The water industry is different, and that's why we're different. We don't just sell equipment, we sell expert solutions. So every one of these companies here with their wares out also has their experts on the floor as well. There's interaction going on all the time. There are classes going on the floor all the time. There are consultative advisory meetings going on constantly, and it's all happening here on the floor. The objective of our trade show is to sell a solution, is to help the person coming through the show, the attendee to the show, learn to be able to size, apply, maintain, monitor, and make a profit on the sale of equipment and their expertise and services. Behind me you see a lot of people in the aisle. You see some of your well-known brand names of exhibitors who are on the floor. What you're seeing is a lot of interaction. They're not joking around, they're educating themselves. They're getting to learn about the equipment and the expertise that's on the floor. If we were to move just a few feet over here, we'd see one of the aqua stages, which is where education has been going on virtually non-stop for the entire trade show time that we've been here. There have been classes on technology, on application, on running a business, on saving money, on route management. It goes on and on and on. The objective of this show is to have an event on this floor where in just a few hours time over the course of a couple of days you can walk away with more education than you will have ever had in the past 2 or 3 years. This is the place to come and learn. This is the place to build your business. This is the place to become a success. Our theme this year and in future years is that we are going to make you the local water experts in your community. This is a crucial directional change for most businesses. We've got to evolve away from being just a sales operation to being the go-to expert from the part of the mayor, the city council, the state legislature, and civic groups in your community. The world is changing in the area of water treatment. Something we call final barrier treatment and technology is going to become the wave of the future in all municipal systems around the country. You have to be the expert as the dealer or the local water person. You have to be the expert to your community. Then your community will turn to you to do this business, to maintain that equipment, to be their local expert that they rely on year in, year out. Those of you who are familiar with the old Water Quality Association trade show realize that our show used to be a primarily residential market. The kinds of products you see around us here now are products that fit the dealer model going to market for residential business. And that's still here. In fact, it's here bigger than ever before. But we're also an industry that has evolved and changed. We've designed this show to support a dealer model that goes to residential, commercial, and industrial businesses. A diversified business is a much stronger and more secure business for the future. Another part of the evolution of the WQA Aquatech USA show has been to move toward high-tech industrial water treatment. Again, part of that business model that combines all three, residential, commercial, and industrial, into one business delivery system. Behind me you see an education class going on industrial water treatment, and around this area is what we call the industrial gallery. It's a way of providing companies with a chance to show their expertise rather than just their products that they manufacture. Each of these little islands on this trade show are specifically designed to deliver information, knowledge, and capability in the best way possible for that particular business segment.